Just got done with leg day. Hate doing legs, but I do legs twice a week. It's funny, I hate doing it, but I do it twice a week. So glutes and hammies are on Tuesday. So did back squat drop set, 315 for 5, 225 for 10, 135 for 15. You go straight into it. Then I took a break, went and grabbed a drink of water, walked over, loaded the bar back up, and did another drop set on back squats. Then went over and did reverse hack squats. Same thing. I did 4 plates on each side, so 8 plates. Did 5, dropped 2 plates, and then did 10, and then 5, so on and so forth, started back up. So 2 sets on the reverse hack squat. Then we did leg curls, set of 5, 10, 15, and then went 15, 10, and 5. It's leg day. Here's the look inside the fridge. We got our ribeye steaks, chicken thighs, ground beef, brats, tons of eggs. We're going ribeye after leg day. Got some new seasoning, super excited about it. It should be spicy, so can't wait to do it. Then we're gonna go with some Brussels sprouts. I am going to grill. I'm gonna throw in some onion too. Never a dull moment with the onion. Don't forget, you gotta weigh out that portion size of that steak. You got 13 ounces here. We're gonna be roughly 900 calories. 83 calories for 1 ounce. Got ourselves 1,000 calories. All right, going with that last meal. Gotta measure it out. You already know what we're doing, as we always. So that's the thing. You guys are gonna be eating the same things throughout the week. We don't have all these crazy different meals and stuff like that. So we're gonna go 15 ounces. That's close enough. Then we're gonna throw it in the Ninja air fryer. Gonna go peas and cheese. That's what we're doing. It's going to be simple today. If you've yet to try the ground beef peas and cheese, you have to do it. It is literally phenomenal. You'll thank me later. People ask this a lot though. Do you do fresh or frozen veggies? Majority of the veggies I do are always frozen. The peas, the broccoli, and the green beans. But the stuff that's not frozen, I will never do frozen, is absolutely onions, and then you got the Brussels sprouts in here as well. But that's really